welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul video. In today's video, I'll be showing with you guys a lot of shopping that I've done, and there is a hopeful travel in future, so I'm hoping to wear all of these. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I've done a lot of shopping from Amazon, from H&M, and a lot of them from Myntra. So let's get done with one by one. So let's get started with Amazon first. I've ordered like two beautiful robes from Amazon. I have one white robe that I usually wear on a daily basis, and that I got it from Shein a long time ago. So I wanted to get something, one very useful everyday item. At the same time, I wanted one very flirty, cute one. So I'm going to show you guys both of them. The first one is this. This is so heavy. This is from their Amazon Solimo brand, and it is so bloody heavy, and it's a very long blush pink color. But I really like this one. I've actually started using this, and it is so, like, can you see the material itself is also like that towel material, and it is so good. You can't use it in the summers, but because I have the AC running, so I feel like this is very good. Like, for me to like moisturize and apply my moisturizer all over the body, I can use this rather than, you know, completely using the towel. Alright, that's robe number one. I have another robe that I got. Now that is more like an everyday robe, but this is more like a flirty, pretty kind of a robe. And that is... Are you ready? Are you ready for this print? I'm dying with... This is how cute it is! Oh my dear god. I think H&M also sells this kind of a pattern, but I got it from Amazon, and I don't know the brand name as well because there's nothing. But I really like this robe. It's a short robe. I'm happy with it, and it also comes with free underwear, free size underwear. I really like this. I don't know when I'm going to use this, but this is really cute and hopefully waiting to wear it. Alright, those are all the things that I got from Amazon. Now let's go to the H&M part of the haul. I love shopping on H&M. I love the bags. I think the shoes are something that I don't pick out a lot because I don't know my size online. I like their basics. At the same time, I feel like they're a little more size inclusive. I know I'm not that kind of a plus size, but I really like their clothes, especially their men's section. I love them. So I pick up a lot of things from H&M, and there was a sale that was going on, so I picked up a few clothes, picked up a few things. So let's get started. The first one that I have is this halter neck kind of a top. I really like this. I am not somebody who wears something like this, but I really love this so much. It has this knit kind of a pattern, and I really like it, and I'm extremely happy to wear it. I don't know when I'm going to wear it, but I'm definitely hoping to wear it pretty soon. You will see the pictures. I love that one so much, so I ordered another one, and this is how it looks like. It has these beautiful, it's a light purple color, but it has like flowers over it. It's so pretty. I like it. I am not somebody who wears this kind of a fashion, and I've always, like, you know, I've always felt very conscious about my body because I've heard a lot of people talking, telling right to my face, like, you know, you don't wear such kind of clothes, and I think I'm coming out of it now. So I wanted to like experiment a little bit more with my fashion, so that is that. Now next, coming to a couple of other basics. The first one I picked up is, this is like a biker short. So the next couple of things are basics that I picked up. The first one is this biker shorts. Now these are like biker shorts, cycling shorts. These are the seamless ones, and I really like that, you know, they're pinched over here. They're right pinched over here. I really like it, and it fits amazingly beautiful. Really love the color. Black is a basic color, so I picked that up. The next couple of things that I picked up are these beautiful ribbed knit shorts. I really like them, and I feel like when you're going outside, you can just wear it in the house. And I feel like these go very beautifully. I got it in the size L. It's a tad bit loose, but I prefer it to be loose rather than too tight, because you might get a camel toe if you're going a size down. So I hopefully wish that this is perfect. So I'm happy with the color. I never have this kind of a color. It's like a beigey, yellowy, light yellow color. I really don't know how to tell that. Another one, I like the short so much, so I picked up in another darker color. This is more like a grey, I don't know, this is just like a grey beigey color. I really don't know colors here. And the last pair that I picked up from H&M are their H&M satin pajamas. I've loved them so much. So I picked it up. Number one is this one. This is so pretty. I like the color as well. It's more like a dull, dusty teal. I really like this color. And it comes with its pair of like pants. I really like it. I don't have a lot of satin pajamas. I don't have a lot of pajamas itself. So basically when you're in an Indian household, you wear those nice fancy clothes and eventually they turn out to be their pajamas. So I don't buy a lot of pajamas. But because as a travel in future, I wanted to buy something very pretty so that I can wear it and be good to go with it. Alright, now let's get started with the Myntra part of the haul. And I've picked up a lot of clothes and I'm really expecting to wear all of these. But the first one I got is this beautiful skirt. It is a beautiful rouged pink blush, light pink. It's like a rouged blush pink kind of a skirt with a beautiful slit. And I really like it. I love the detailing over here. It has this rouging going on here, very pretty. I really like this one. Another one that I picked up are, can you see that I'm actually obsessed with skirts a lot? Another one that I have is another skirt. This is a polka dot asymmetrical kind of a skirt and I really like this one. It has a zip on the side and it's like polka dots, really pretty. I love this one so much. It's so cute. Love it. And then I picked up another dress. Now this dress I've seen a lot of people wearing it, and not this particular dress but this kind of pattern, and I really liked it, so I wanted to pick it up. But this is the dress. It's so pretty. It has like puffy sleeves. It has a sweetheart kind of a neckline with rouging, and then it has this beautiful slit on the side. I really love this one so much. It's in this burnt orange terracotta kind of a color. Love it. And it again has polka dots. And currently I am obsessed with a lot of polka dots. We're down to the last few items. The next one that I picked up is this beautiful floral blouse top situation. I really like it. I cannot show you the back, but it's completely backless. You just have to like tie out the thread and that's all. You can just tie it up and it looks very pretty. It's like a backless, but the front is very much covered and it gives a lot of support in the front. Really like this one. I really like that pattern so much. I've ordered it in another color. Now this is how it looks like. It is more like a powder blue with the same floral design, and again it has a backless thing wherein you can like tie it up. Now this top comes with a matching skirt and I had to get a matching skirt because it looks like a cute cord. But this is how it is. I really love this one so much. I am in love with all these pieces. Those are all the things that I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.